Okay, to pull out this thing, it's not that hard. Well, first you need to pull out this, which is you just use a pry tool, and you need to pry off the clips that hold in the boot. On my car, somebody cut it all off, so I don't have that problem. But pretty much just a series of clips you need to undo, and then the boot will kind of pull off. You can pull off this thing if you want, but because of how much room, I don't think I need to remove the actual shift knob to be able to get this thing out. So put your hand behind here, kind of just pull it up, kind of feel around where you can get a comfortable grip, and just pull it out. Now that I got it removed, I see at least 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. They all look like they're just squeeze pin type, so let's get those off. And the easiest option I find, if you do one side, you pretty much can kind of lift it up over and then do the other side. But connectors, pretty simple. This one plugs in, you have one little clip here. This one has a clip on this side you need to push down. This one, red clip, this is the start button. There's a clip here on the side. And then this one also has a small little clip on the side. And there you go. We got that removed. Now I need to clean it. Disassemble it and clean it.